the top vitamins to repair and protect your eyes. As we get older, we are at a higher risk of developing eye diseases such as glaucoma, macular degeneration, or cataracts. Many people also experience dry, irritated, and itchy eyes, eye strain from staring at phones and computers, and nerve damage called retinopathy. If you don't consume enough vitamins and minerals, the nerves and tiny blood vessels in your eyes can become damaged, causing poor eyesight and eye diseases. However, there are certain vitamins that you can consume to help improve the health of your eyes, both to repair and protect them, and to keep them well lubricated so that they remain bright and shiny. That's exactly what we'll be talking about in today's video. I use the word vitamins broadly to include antioxidants, minerals, and enzymes that you can use to improve your eye health. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, so please speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. Number 1. Retinol, vitamin A. Retinol, active vitamin A, is found in egg yolks, butter, cheese, cod liver oil, and organ meats. This is the most important nutrient for eye health, as it helps your eyes produce tears to keep them lubricated and protected from external damage. It also helps you see better at night, preventing night blindness and irritation from bright lights, such as when driving. Taking 1 teaspoon of raw virgin cod liver oil daily is the best way to nourish your eyes with active vitamin A, and regular consumption can help with dryness, bloodshot eyes, and irritation, which often feels like a gritty sensation in the corners of the eyes. Number 2. Lutein and zeaxanthin. Lutein and zeaxanthin are 2 powerful carotenoids that are essential for eye health. Lutein helps your retina capture light and color, sending signals to your brain so you can see clear images. Zeaxanthin, on the other hand, helps prevent macular degeneration, central vision loss, and cataracts that can develop with age. These carotenoids also build a light filter in the back of your eye, protecting the tissues from UV damage from sunlight. You can get high amounts of these nutrients by eating vegetables like kale, collard greens, romaine lettuce, Swiss chard, peppers, squash, broccoli, and egg yolks. If you prefer to supplement, I recommend 1 to 2 teaspoons of moringa powder daily, made from the dried leaves of the Moringa oleifera, one of the richest sources of carotenoids to protect your eyesight as you age. Number 3. Zinc. Zinc is an antioxidant mineral that your eyes contain in high levels. It helps build visual pigments in your retina, allowing you to see clear images in color. Zinc also activates vitamin A, retinol, so that you can see properly, especially at night. Whenever you sustain an injury, have an illness, or experience inflammation, your body uses its zinc stores to heal. As we age, frequent ailments can deplete zinc, worsening eyesight. A deficiency in zinc increases the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts, cloudy lenses. To lower these risks, you can eat zinc-rich foods such as oysters, crab meat, mussels, shrimp, and pumpkin seeds. Alternatively, you can take a supplement of 30 milligrams zinc chelate per day. Number 4. Benfotiamine, vitamin B1. Benfotiamine, vitamin B1, is a form of vitamin B1. When you consume sugar, refined flour, or grains, your blood sugar increases, depleting your vitamin B1 stores. Without enough vitamin B1, the protective coating around your nerves, myelin, becomes damaged. Since your eyes and optic nerve contain up to 1.7 million nerve fibers, these can easily become damaged from junk foods and high blood sugar. This can lead to retinopathy, a common disease with aging, particularly in those with diabetes or prediabetes. To repair the nerves in your eyes and prevent further damage, you can take benfotiamine, a fat-soluble form of vitamin B1. Taking 300 milligrams twice a day helps penetrate the fat layers of your brain and nervous system, nourishing the nerves so they can heal. Number 5, vitamins B2 and B3. Vitamins B2 and B3 also play powerful roles in protecting and restoring damaged tissues and nerves in the eye. Vitamin B3, niacin, helps prevent glaucoma, a condition where pressure and fluid build up in the eye. Vitamin B2, riboflavin, reduces the risk of developing cataracts and macular degeneration. To get more of these B vitamins, consume 1 to 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast daily, or eat salmon, leafy greens, and eggs. Number 6, bile salts, digestive enzymes. Bile salts and digestive enzymes are also essential for eye health. Bile, produced by the liver and released by the gallbladder, helps digest fatty foods and absorb fat-soluble nutrients like vitamin A, lutein, and zeaxanthin. However, if you have liver or gallbladder issues or suffer from acid reflux or IBS, your body may not be releasing enough bile. This is common in people over 50. To increase bile flow, take digestive enzymes with ox bile or purified bile salts before each meal. Number 7, cod liver oil, omega-3s. Cod liver oil is an excellent source of omega-3s, EPA and DHA, essential for healing nerves and blood vessels in the eyes. Omega-3s protect the eyes from oxidative damage and inflammation. Studies show that taking fish oil for 3 months reduces dry eye symptoms, helping the glands produce more tears. You can get omega-3s by eating fatty fish like wild salmon, sardines, and mackerel, but the best source is Icelandic virgin cod liver oil, 1 teaspoon daily. Omega-3s also reduce inflammation and protect against conditions like uveitis. Number 8, vitamin C. Vitamin C is another important antioxidant that you should consume daily. Real vitamin C comes from raw fruits and vegetables like bell peppers, kale, berries, and cabbage. It protects the eyes from oxidative damage caused by high blood sugar and environmental toxins, and studies show it reduces the risk of macular degeneration. Smokers in particular need at least 4 times the daily requirement of vitamin C. Avoid synthetic vitamin C supplements like ascorbic acid and opt for acerola cherry powder instead. As you can see, there are many nutrients and vitamins that can help heal and protect your eyes against degeneration, dryness, vision loss, and disease. Many of these are already in the foods you eat, so you can start improving your eye health today. Additional lifestyle tips to protect your eyesight include using a blue light filter on your phone, PC, and tablets to reduce the harmful effects of blue light on your retina. Taking walks in nature and focusing on distant objects to relax your eye muscles. Reducing inflammation and preventing conditions like astigmatism. Drinking at least 1 liter of mineral water daily to stay hydrated and produce healthy tears. Using liquid MSM drops for dry eyes, which can brighten the whites of your eyes, improve lymphatic drainage, and reduce eye floaters. Cutting out inflammatory vegetable oils like soy, canola, and sunflower, and switching to anti-inflammatory fats like raw coconut oil, cold-pressed avocado oil, and grass-fed butter, which is rich in vitamin A. By following these tips and consuming the nutrients shared in this video, you can have a powerful impact on healing and protecting your eyes. Thank you so much for watching. Wishing you great health, wealth, and happiness.